Hey there, folks. If you're a BCBS, that's Blue Cross Blue Shield, member and you need a new insurance card in 2025, don't worry, I've got you covered. Whether you've lost your card, it's damaged, or you're just updating your info, this quick guide will walk you through the process step by step. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to get that new card hassle-free. Let's dive in. First things first, the easiest way to request a new card is through the BCBS website or app. Start by logging into your online account. If you don't have one, head to the BCBS website and create an account using your member ID, which is usually on your current card or in any correspondence from them. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Member Services or Account Management section. It's typically right on the dashboard. From there, look for an option like Request a New ID Card or Replace Card. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to verify your personal details, such as your name, address, and policy number. Make sure everything is up to date, as inaccuracies can delay your request. You can usually choose to receive your new card digitally via email or have it mailed to you. If you opt for the digital version, it'll be sent as a PDF that you can print or save on your phone. Super convenient for 2025's digital world. If the online method isn't working for you, maybe you're having tech troubles or can't access your account, give BCBS customer service a call. Their number is on the back of your current card or on the website. When you call, have your member ID ready, and explain that you need a replacement card. The representative will guide you through the process and might even process it on the spot. Pro tip: call during off-peak hours, like early morning, to avoid long wait times. One more thing. Don't forget about the BCBS mobile app. If you haven't downloaded it yet, do so from your app store. The app makes requesting a card even simpler with a few taps. Just log in, go to your profile, and follow the prompts. It's a great option if you're on the go. Alright, before we wrap up, here are a couple of quick tips. Always double-check your mailing address if you're getting a physical card, and keep an eye on your email or spam folder for digital ones. If you're dealing with any eligibility issues, like a recent plan change, contact BCBS right away to sort it out. There you have it. That's how to get a new insurance card from BCBS in 2025. It's straightforward once you know the steps, and you'll be all set for your healthcare needs. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and hit the bell icon for updates. Thanks for watching, and take care.